Dear students, there are different kinds of animals around us. Some of the animals live in the jungle. Some of the animals live in the mountain region.
Some of the animals live in the grassland. And some of the animals live in water.
Different animals live in different habitats. Now have a look at this animal. Do you know its name?
It is a lion.
A lion lives in the jungle. The jungle is the habitat of a lion. Look at this jungle. Did you see a lion? Is it alone in the jungle?
No, it is not. There is an elephant. There are giraffes.
There are birds. There are snakes as well. Many animals live in the jungle.
In addition to animals, there are many plants in the jungle.
The jungle has grass in it. The jungle also has small plants and big trees. There are animals and plants in the jungle. All the plants and animals are living things, aren't they? So, a jungle has many living things in it.
A jungle has many non-living things as well. A jungle has non-living things like a stone, a river, the soil, and the air in it. It also has light and temperature. Thus, the environment of jungle has both living things and non-living things in it. The environment of all the habitats has both living and non-living things in it.
You all know that a green plant can prepare its food by itself. The process by which a green plant prepares its food is known as photosynthesis, isn't it? Look at this green plant. Do you know what different things it uses for photosynthesis?
It uses water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, chlorophyll, and different mineral salts.
Among these different things, do you know where the plant gets carbon dioxide from? Confused? Well, let me tell you. The plant gets carbon dioxide from the air. This decreases the quantity of carbon dioxide in the air. However, during photosynthesis, a plant produces oxygen gas as waste. a plant releases this oxygen into the air.
This increases the quantity of oxygen in the air.
During photosynthesis, all the green plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Due to this, think what quantity of carbon dioxide decreases and what quantity of oxygen increases in the air. You all know that animals need energy to perform various kinds of life processes. This is a lion. A lion also has to perform its various life processes. Can you tell where a lion gets energy for this?
A lion respires to get energy.
Oxygen gas is necessary for respiration. For this, a lion inhales oxygen from the air. This decreases the amount of oxygen in the air, doesn't it?
After respiration, carbon dioxide gas is produced in the body of a lion. A lion releases this carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
All the animals in the jungle respire to get energy. During respiration, they inhale oxygen from the air. After respiration, they release the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere.
Not only animals, even plants respire.
During respiration, plants too take in oxygen from the air. After respiration, in their bodies as well, carbon dioxide gas is produced. Plants release this carbon dioxide into the air. Students, now let us make an analysis of photosynthesis of plants and respiration of all the living things in the jungle. Tell me, what would happen if plants did not photosynthesize?
Both plants and animals take in oxygen during respiration. If plants do not prepare the food, there would be no more oxygen left in the air. All the oxygen would finish.
And in the absence of oxygen, all the animals would die. Similarly, plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. If living things would not respire, there would be no more carbon dioxide in the air. And in the absence of the carbon dioxide, plants would not be able to prepare their food, and they would die.
So, in the jungle, animals and plants depend on each other for their survival.
Students, one more time, tell me the different materials a plant needs for photosynthesis.
Water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, sunlight, and mineral salts.
A plant has chlorophyll in its leaves, but none of the other materials required for photosynthesis are on the plant body. A plant takes water from the soil. It also takes mineral salts from the soil.
A plant takes carbon dioxide from the air.
Now tell me where the soil and the air are. Yes, they are in the environment. So, a plant takes water, mineral salts, and carbon dioxide from the environment. It also takes sunlight from the environment. Now think what would happen if there were no water, mineral salts, carbon dioxide, and sunlight in the environment.
A plant would not be able to prepare its food.
In the absence of food, a plant would die. None of the plants would be able to prepare their food in the absence of the environmental factors like water, mineral salts, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. You all know that herbivores like a deer, an elephant, a giraffe, and a rhinoceros live in the jungle. Now tell me, in the absence of plants in the jungle, will these animals be able to survive?
No, they won't. Plants are the food of herbivores. In the absence of food, all the herbivores would die. Carnivores like a tiger, a lion, a leopard, and a cheetah depend on other animals for their food, don't they? Similarly, omnivores like a bear and a raccoon depend on both plants and animals for their food. In the absence of plants and herbivores, all the carnivores and omnivores would die.
So, living things depend on each other as well as the environment for their survival in their habitats, don't they?